Thank you for choosing Eye-Biab, your all-in-one business management solution. In this quick walkthrough, we'll explore how workflow section in your Eye-Biab platform can help your businesses map, manage, and track every step of their service or operational process, from initial engagement to final delivery. When the workflow module is toggled on in the module settings, it activates additional features across the system, specifically under Tools, Workflow, Client Details, and Settings. But before you can start using workflows, you'll first need to define your workflow steps in the Settings section. To do this, go to the side menu and click on Workflow Settings. Here you'll see a list of workflow steps, including both system-generated and user-defined steps. Any additional steps are fully customizable and created by users. When you click on a workflow step setting, a pop-up window will appear. In this pop-up, you can manage the steps details using the following fields. Total workflow days. It displays how long the workflow spans. Then set workflow completion stage. Choose which step marks the end of the process. Each step includes step description that outlines key actions for our business. Step acronym, a clear, compact label, max 20 characters. Days, how long the step should take. And task description, drag and drop reordering to adjust the sequence as needed. Steps must be deleted in reverse order. Once configured, we simply click Update to lock it in, creating a reusable process for every customer's journey. For example, a typical customer's application workflow might include Step 1. Register lead and assign ownership. Step 2. Initial contact. Step 3. No response. Trigger follow-up. Step 4. Discovery consultation call. Step 5. Send proposal or info pack. Step 6. Optional incentive follow-up. Step 7. Second follow-up. Step 8. Qualify the lead. Step 9. Onboarding and invoice. Step 10. Close and record outcome. Each of these steps allow our business to track progress clearly and efficiently. Now that we have defined steps, we can effortlessly manage all of our customers' cases. We can use customers' menu under roles, use action buttons like invoices, events, customer management, customer detail, emails, immigration, activity management, notes, payments, and tasks. We can add and manage all of the important case or business matters on the activity management page, where they are organized by type, category, and global scope. Once created, activity can be assigned to customers using the activity management feature. The first activity added is automatically set as the default, indicating it is the active matter for that customer. Once the default activity is saved, click on Start Workflow, triggering a form that outlines all workflow steps predefined in settings. The customer's activity management is systematically tracked through a workflow that outlines each step of its progression. For every step, a task is automatically created and assigned to the account manager, who also receives an email notification with task details and deadlines to ensure effective monitoring. From here, we can use checkboxes to track completed steps. Confirms a manual start if the process wasn't auto-triggered. Acknowledges if the initial payment hasn't yet been received. Clicks Update to activate the workflow. A real-time progress bar begins counting down the days remaining for each step, keeping everyone aligned and accountable. Upon completion of the current step, a task will be automatically generated and assigned when the next step in the workflow is automatically created. We can send an email to the account manager from within the workflow to inquire about any pending or overdue tasks. And to see the bigger picture, we can navigate to the workflow page under Tools. This centralized dashboard gives us a full overview of all active workflows across the company. By clicking the plus button next to any entry, we can view or delete that specific workflow. At the top of the page, we have powerful tools to filter workflows by status or date and download reports, view performance summaries to measure productivity. The workflow module isn't just a feature, it's the engine behind how you can guide your customers through the complex world of business. That is it, you are now ready to use Workflow module. Contact us today to discuss how we can collaborate for mutual success.